Hi everyone! In this video we will graph linear functions. Determine the equation of the linear function that is represented in the graph. We will be writing this in the slope-intercept form, which is f of x equals mx plus b. Here we look for two things. We want the first, or the y-intercept, or the initial value, and we're also looking for the slope, or m, the rate of change. Slope is rise over run. Looking at our graph, we find the y-intercept, or the initial value, crosses right here at the point 0, -1. That tells us that b equals -1. And from this point, we want to find another point on the graph that goes through the corners of the graph. That'll give us another whole number. So we can go here, here. We could even go down here or here. Either way, we'll still find the slope. Slope is rise over run, so we're going to pick one of those points and move to one of the others. So I'm going to start here at our y-intercept, and I'm going to pick the one here. So this moves up 2 and then back 1. So we rose +2, but then we went backwards -1. 2 divided by -1 gives us a slope of -2. And this will be the exact same slope no matter which 2 points we pick. Let's go ahead and try it again, going from our y-intercept and moving down to this one here. This one, we move down 2 and we move to the right 1. Moving down 2 means that I moved down 2 or -2. Moving to the right one is in the positive direction, so it's divided by a +1. -2 divided by a +1 is -2, and you'll see the slope is the same. Let's try one more just because. Let's go ahead and start at our origin again, or at our initial or y value, y-intercept again, just to stay consistent. And instead of going to our first one beyond it, let's go ahead and move to our second one down here. This means that I'm moving 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so we went down 4, but we're moving to the right 2. So we have a rise of -4 because we were moving down, but then we were moving to the right +2. -4 divided by +2 is -2. And you can see that the rate of change will be the exact same through the whole line, the whole graph. And so it doesn't matter which 2 points you pick, just as long as you make sure you go through the corners, because it makes it easier to count. So we have an equation. F of x is our basic equation, mx plus b. M is our slope, and b is the y-intercept, or the initial value, and we found both of those. So our equation is f of x equals our slope we found is -2, so we have -2x, and the b was the initial, or the y-intercept, which went through at -1, so it's -2x minus 1, and that's our equation, and we're all done.